आज हम ये सेशन जो है एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So this is the story of a man who is riding a horse, and the horse is galloping, दौड़ रहा है horse, and there is a this passerby. The passerby asks the man rider, "Where are you going?" And the man on the horse says, "I don't know. Ask the horse." So actually, this story is a story from the Zen circles, Buddhist circles. ये है, तो ये जो इसमें हॉर्स है इस स्टोरी के अंदर, it depicts our mind. So our mind and our emotions, they are taking us wherever they want, and we are not able to stop them or control them. So with the help of mind training, we are going to learn how to control the horse. This is the first step. This is where we are for anyone who's just starting. Usually it's the horse and we are trying to control the horse. Then we are able to control the horse, but eventually we want to master our mind. This is the third picture. We have to learn to master our mind, and it's very simple. We just need 10 to 15 minutes of our time. We spend 1 hour doing gym or exercise or walk, but nothing for our mind. Okay, so now let's understand why we should do mind training. Well, there was a research done by Harvard scientists, some psychologists, which revealed that we spend about 47% of our waking time thinking about something other than what we are doing. And this allows our mind to run an autopilot mode. For example, happens with our mind, that our mind has a tendency to drift from the present moment. And this is a research done by Harvard scientists. So this is scientifically proven. So, and also the research also concluded that a wandering mind is an unhappy mind. जब हमारा mind wander करता है और हम present में नहीं रहते, it makes us unhappy. So, you know, if we are spending almost about 50% of our time being unhappy because our mind is wandering, so we should do something about it. And very simple, we just need to do 10 to 15 minutes of mind training. There is one more problem that most of us are facing, is that attention span has become very short. There was another research done by Microsoft in year 2000, जिसमें उन्होंने ये बताया कि हमारा जो attention span है, which was about 12 seconds, it has become 8 seconds now. Although the data was probably not sufficient to come to this conclusion, but we all know that we are not able to focus on anything for more than few seconds. We go to the net, there is an advertisement pop-up, there is a hyperlink. You go, and you know, even the social media, what they're trying to do, they're asking creators to do shorter content. वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप टिकटॉक बनाओ 50 seconds की. Attention span इतना कम हो गया है. कोई लंदन में घूम रहा है and we give them very nice emojis, but when we close the computer, we go, I am sitting here and they are traveling, and we feel so restless. You know, there are people who post fake pictures on Facebook. उन्हें लगता है कि I want to show to the world that I'm having the best time of my life. And the same thing happens in relationships. एक फेक वर्ल्ड है, पूरा फेक वर्ल्ड है माइंड में और हमारे फोन में. This is the so, and there are people who are restless, anxious and lonely because of all this mind wandering. Now we are going to compare this situation with solitude. Now we understand the difference between loneliness and solitude. दोनों situations में हम अकेले बैठे हैं, but loneliness is a kind of a negative term, right? Where we don't feel good, and solitude is a nice and positive term where we feel happy. What's the difference? So, you know, let's take the example of solitude. Again, you are sitting by yourself. You don't have any friend with you. You don't have even your phone with you. But what happens when we sit with our eyes closed in solitude? योगा का मतलब ही कनेक्शन है. योगा का जो संस्कृत मीनिंग है, that is to connect. युज is union. So in reality we are already connected. हम पूरी यूनिवर्स में connected है. It's just that when we sit in meditation, we close our eyes, we feel these connections, they come in our experience. Otherwise, when the mind is chattering, we don't even feel these connections. Now I'll give you another example to understand this. I close my eyes, but I also close my nose and my mouth, and I don't breathe for 5 minutes. What will happen to me? I'm finished. No oxygen, gone. So isn't this such a beautiful connection that I have with the nature, with the environment that is around me? And also the tree which is giving me oxygen to breathe. All these connections already exist in nature. The sunlight which is helping the tree to grow. The water which is helping the plants to grow. universe is already so well connected. It's that they are not in our awareness. So when we sit in meditation, all these connections, we feel that we are part of this universe. Not just we are part of this universe, we are also able to connect with the higher self, that is the supreme soul. So we'll come to that later. The first major challenge is that we need to be able to still our mind. Because if the mind is disturbed, then obviously we can't. It's the chatter which is going through the mind. So how many people have tried to do meditation? How many of you are able to meditate? Or what are the challenges that someone has faced? Let's address them.
Again, chattering of mind.
Chattering
and
of
mind wanders. Mind wanders everywhere.
Mind wanders, yes. Very, very, very usual. Anyone else?
Or I sometimes feel sleepy as well. Like I just sleep.
Yeah,
Which
no,
is so
that's
bad.
fine. That's normal. That's normal. So the technique that we know that meditation is good for us because our mind also needs to get that break, right? So mind wander karta hai, and a lot of people, when they try to do meditation, they focus here. They focus on their Ajna chakra or their heart center. तो माइंडफुलनेस के अंदर हमने क्या करना है, हमने कहीं फोकस नहीं करना, हमने सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करना है. ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज जस्ट ऑब्जर्व. इवन इफ योर थॉट्स कम, let them come and let them go. We are not going to block our thoughts. Can we block our thoughts? It's not a physical entity. We cannot block our thoughts. When we are meditating, can we stop the function of our kidneys? No, kidney is going to work. The same way, our breathing is going to go on. The same way the thoughts will come. But as we get more practice of mind training, what happens is that the moment you sit and try to meditate, your mind becomes still. But that requires training. It doesn't happen overnight. जैसे हमारा बॉडी है, हम अपनी मसल बनाते, we go to the gym and we do some weight lifting, right? I've done this twice. So it's not going to do anything. If I do it after 6 months, it's not going to help. But if I do this every day for 20 minutes, what will happen? My muscle will become strong, right? So the same way we have to do mind training. Still the mind, we are going to focus on our breath. Okay. Now, how can you become aware of your breath? Now, the breathing sensation can be felt in the body where the air enters your nostrils. You put your hand here, the air enters your nostrils and the air leaves your nostrils. So you bring your focus on the breathing sensation in the body at your nostrils. हमारी जो नासिका के थ्रू हमारी एयर आ रही है, जब हम इनहेल करते हैं और हम एक्सहेल करते हैं, आप अपना ध्यान वहां ला दें. और हमने ध्यान भी नहीं लाना, हमने सिर्फ उसे देखना है. We are just going to observe that movement with the help of our mind's eye. तो ये ज्यादा convenient लगता है because they want to see a physical movement. And physical movement of breathing, where can we see? You know, you see a child sleeping, you see their abdomen moving as they inhale and exhale. Abdomen comes out at the time of inhalation and abdomen goes in at the time of exhalation. So with the mind's eye, just sit here, imagine your abdomen moving out at the time of inhalation and your abdomen moving in at the time of exhalation, and you do it for 5 minutes. In between, if your mind wanders and you get stray thoughts, and they do come, they come. So just observe them, let them come and let them go. They will come and go. You can't stop them. But eventually, once you are more habitual, you will get thinning of thoughts. The thoughts will not bother you. But the important thing is that you should try to find the same time and same place to meditate. You know, जैसे आप सोने के लिए आप 10:30 पे अगर आप सोने के लिए जाते हैं, so the moment you hit the bed at 10:30, you suddenly feel sleepy, and sometimes you can't sleep for 5 minutes, sometimes you can't sleep for 1 hour. The same thing happens with meditation. You can picture anything in your mind. So let's just do it for 2 to 3 minutes. आप एक कुर्सी में बैठ जाएं, सीधी बैठें. The important thing is to keep your spine straight. So अगर आप चेयर में बैठे हैं तो थोड़ा आगे आ जाएं, मतलब इस तरह से नहीं बैठें, स्पाइन को सीधा रखेंगे. और अगर आप मैट पे बैठे हैं तो भी ठीक है. Your feet are on the ground and your palms are resting, and we can close our eyes. I'm going to turn the video off for 3 minutes so you can look at the picture that's on. Imagine this picture, and okay. Now take one deep inhalation and exhale. Take one more deep breath in and let go. Now, with your mind's eye, just start to observe the breathing sensation in your body. You can observe the breathing sensation as the air enters your nostrils. At the time of inhalation and the air leaving your nostrils at the time of exhalation. Just keep observing this breathing sensation in the body. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can observe the breathing sensation in your chest or abdomen as your abdomen rises at the time of inhalation and your abdomen falls at the time of exhalation. Just keep observing this movement of abdomen with your mind's eye. Notice your abdomen expanding at the time of inhalation and your abdomen contracting at the time of exhalation. आप अपनी ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर अपना फोकस ले आएं. आप अपनी आती जाती सांस को ऑब्जर्व करें. आप चाहे तो इसे अपनी नासिका पर ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. जैसे आपके नोज के द्वारा एयर आप इनहेल करते हैं, आप उसे देखें अपनी माइंड की आई से. और जब आप एक्सेल करें, जो आपकी नासिका से एयर बाहर जा रही है, आप उसके बारे में अवेयर हो. आप ब्रीदिंग सेंसेशन को अपने चेस्ट या एब्डोमेन पर भी फील कर सकते हैं. जैसे हम सांस लेते हैं, हम इनहेल करते हैं, हमारा एब्डोमेन और हमारा चेस्ट राइज करता है. और जब हम एक्सेल करें, तब हमारा एब्डोमेन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है. We are doing nothing. We are just observing the breathing sensation in our body. If at any stage your mind begins to wander, and if you get stray thoughts, it's okay. Let them come. Just acknowledge those thoughts, accept those thoughts. Don't judge them good or bad, and let them go. You bring your focus and awareness back to the breathing sensation in the body. Inhalation, the chest and abdomen rising. At the time of exhalation, your chest and your abdomen falling. Just keep observing this breathing process which happens throughout our life without our conscious awareness. In this moment, we are observing this breathing process with a conscious mind. So you can notice the movement of your diaphragm moving towards your pelvis as you inhale, and as your lungs expand, and as your abdomen contracts, you exhale and the abdomen moves back towards the chest cavity. Now notice where your mind is now. Is your mind still observing the breathing sensation, or is it engaged in a past activity or a future event? Well, if that is the case, it's okay. You bring your wandering mind, its awareness back to the breathing sensation in your body. And every time you do so, you strengthen your mental muscle of awareness and you are engaged in the practice of mindfulness meditation, becoming aware of our wandering mind and bringing it back to the center. So we are using our breath as an anchor to still our mind. So every time your mind begins to wander, and if you get stray thoughts, let them come. Don't stop them. Let them come. Acknowledge them, accept them. They will go away. You bring your awareness back to the breathing sensation in the body. You can become aware of any sound in your surroundings, any fan or chirping of birds. Just keep observing the breathing sensation in your body at the time of inhalation and at the time of exhalation. You can notice the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale and the warm air leaving the nostrils as you exhale. Become aware of any other sound in your environment, any rain, any chirping of birds. Take another deep inhalation and exhale, and gently, whenever you are ready, open your eyes. Whenever you are ready, gently open the eyes. Would anyone like to share? We try to block the thoughts. Now, thought is not a physical entity. हम उसे block कर ही नहीं सकते. हम अपना ध्यान अपनी breath पर लाएंगे और जैसे ही हमारा can I hold on to my in breath? What will happen if I try to hold on to my in breath? I'm going to suffocate, right? So if the in breath comes, I have to let it go. If the same way, if your thought comes, let it go. हम प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है, हम थॉट को रोक लेते हैं, हम थॉट को अपने माइंड में रोक लेते हैं और फिर वो हमें सफोकेट करती रहती है. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. तो को आने दो, जाने दो, और हम थॉट के साथ अटैच हो जाते हैं. इसका हम एक करेंगे, मूविंग मेडिटेशन करेंगे. तो हम हर प्रोसेस के साथ मेडिटेशन जोड़ेंगे, माइंडफुली उसको काम करेंगे, तो वो 20 मिनट की एक्टिविटी आपकी माइंडफुलनेस हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं अपने प्लांट्स को पानी देती हूँ. अभी तो बारिश आ रही है, बट अगर कोई पानी देता है या वो गार्डनिंग करता है, which again is a beautiful thing to do, we connect with nature. तो अगर आप पानी दे रहे हो, अगेन आपका माइंड वाटर करेगा, तो क्या होगा, आपने एक पौधे को इतना पानी दिया और 3 को ज्यादा दे दिया, बिकॉज माइंड तो कहीं और चला गया. अब इसी प्रोसेस को अगर हम माइंडफुली करें, माइंडफुली कैसे करेंगे? अब माइंडफुली करने के लिए हमें क्या काम करना है? वी हैव टू एंगेज आवर सेंसेस. हमारे पास 5 सेंसेस दिए भगवान ने. एक तो आईज, नोज, टेस्ट, हियरिंग एंड टच. सो माइंडफुल गार्डनिंग करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? हम जो पानी दे रहे हैं, मान लिया आप रोजेस को पानी दे रहे हो, आप रोज को टच करें. टच द पेटल ऑफ द रोज, स्मेल द रोज. देन smell the rose, you can touch it, you can see the colors that are there, and obviously जहां roses लगे हैं, कोई trees होंगे तो वहां birds होंगे, उनकी chirping की आवाज सुने. The same way if you are doing driving, तो हम mindful driving कर सकते हैं. अब mindful driving का मतलब क्या है? मान लिया आप अपने ऑफिस जाते हैं और आप सेम रूट पे जाते हैं, 20 मिनट की ड्राइव है, सेम रूट पे ऑफिस जाते हैं, सेम पे वापस आते हैं, यू स्पेंडिंग अबाउट 40 मिनट्स. सेम रूट है तो कुछ नथिंग एक्साइटिंग, तो हमारा चला गया. तो हाउ वी कैन डू माइंडफुल ड्राइविंग? वी कैन डू माइंडफुल ड्राइविंग. इनफैक्ट देयर इज एन ऐप कॉल्ड माइंडफुल ड्राइविंग, आप देख सकते हैं उसको. इसके अंदर क्या है कि आपको सिर्फ अपना ध्यान कैसे देना है, आपको फील करना है, टच, कि आपका जो बॉडी है वो कार की सीट से कहां पर टच हो रही है. फील दैट आपका जो हैंड है व्हील के ऊपर है, सो यू आर होल्डिंग द व्हील, दैट इज अ टच सेंसेशन. तो उसको आप देखें, आप अपना मिरर देखें, साइड की कार्स देखें और रोड पे देखें, बिकॉज एवरी रोड इज डिफरेंट, राइट? हम जब गाड़ी चलाते हैं रोड के बीच में वो बने हुए हैं, ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू डू इट केयरफुली। और अगर आप जब रेड लाइट पे गाड़ी रोकते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं ट्रीज होते हैं, ट्रीज पे बर्ड्स होती हैं, बर्ड्स की चर्पिंग सुने तो आपका माइंड जो है ना वो प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहेगा, आपका माइंड ड्रिफ्ट नहीं होगा। दैट इज कॉल्ड माइंडफुल ड्राइविंग। टक्कर हो जाती है और वो दोनों बिलियनर्स हैं, दे आर ड्राइविंग द मर्सिडीज, दे कम आउट ऑफ द कार एंड दे थैंक ईच अदर। वो बोलते हैं कि भगवान ने हमारे को मिलाने का क्या अच्छा रास्ता निकाला था। तो ये स्टोरी रॉबर्ट एलियट ने लिखी है, इज ए कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, बताने के लिए। अब मान लो ये टक्कर आपकी गाड़ी की दिल्ली में हो या सैन फ्रांसिस्को में हो तो क्या होता है, शाउटिंग टू शूटिंग हो जाता है, राइट। ऑर्गन है एमिगडाला। तो एमिगडाला क्या करता है, जब भी उसको परसीव थ्रेट आती है तो वो रिएक्ट करता है, और रिएक्ट हम पहले कर जाते हैं, हम सोचते ही नहीं, थिंकिंग बंद हो जाती है। प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं तो हमारा जो एमिगडाला है वो डाउन रेगुलेट होता है। कि इस फील्ड के अंदर स्टडी अभी और हो रही है, बट इस अगर किसी को आर्टिकल चाहिए, आई हैव दैट आर्टिकल बाय हार्वर्ड साइंटिस्ट। द लास्ट थिंग इज दैट जो माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन है, ये हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू का आर्टिकल है। आज की डेट में जितनी भी दुनिया की कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं, चाहे आप गूगल ले लो, नाइकी, एप्पल, सबके ऑफिसेज में माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन की वर्कशॉप्स हैं। बिकॉज फर्स्ट इज, एक तो आपके जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनका माइंड रिलैक्स होता है, दूसरा माइंडफुलनेस से उनकी क्रिएटिविटी बढ़ती है। देयर इज एन आर्टिकल, कैन 10 मिनट ऑफ मेडिटेशन मेक यू मोर क्रिएटिव, और ये हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू में आया है। तो जस्ट फॉर 10 मिनट्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन योर माइंड बिकम्स मोर। अब आज गूगल, एप्पल ने आईफोन 13 लॉन्च कर दिया, 14 लॉन्च करने के लिए उसे क्या करना है, दैट सोल्यूशन इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम फ्रॉम अ टेक्स्ट बुक, वो किसी
Yeah, I think it was very good. That was a top tip that you said. Let the thoughts come and go. I
Yes.
think that is the key. You know what I found. Like you are so right. I was trying to stop that. अरे मैं क्यों सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा, मैंने मंडे को क्या करना है, So मैंने कहा let it come. Okay, okay. It was like we're walking in the shopping mall and people are coming and going, but we're still walking. So I think that was such a big learner for me for today's class. Thank you so much. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you.
No, हमको क्या फील होता है, पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस, राइट। वो कहाँ से आती है, कहाँ से आती है पीस और हैप्पीनेस? वो पीस और हैप्पीनेस हमारे अंदर से ही आती है, सिर्फ हमारे माइंड की चैटर बंद होती है। When the mind that chatter, we are able to reach that place of peace and happiness. वो बाहर से नहीं आती। The peace and happiness is a true nature, but हम experience नहीं होती because mind में घूम रहा है सब कुछ। Mind is either in past or future or worried or anxious, so we are not able to experience that peace. But